Hello, Paul again here from AMD. This is the actual Porsche 911. We've done the rear calipers and the brake lines that was actually broken off. So the rear calipers been rebuilt already, both rears, and all the lines been done from the prior video. And then now we're just gonna actually show you that we can actually push the car back, because before we cannot push the car because the actual brake calipers will seize at the back. So now we're just going to give it a quick push. Yep. There you go. Let it go. Stop. See, now it's all working. So tomorrow we're going to put the car back on the hoist today, and then tomorrow we're going to have a quick inspection of all the stuff that we've done, all the front and rear brake caliper lines, and the new one that we put at the back that goes to the left and the right. And then just double check everything and then readjust the actual handbrake again. Just maybe one more click back, or two more clicks back as well, to make it more loose. Otherwise it will seize up a little bit because they're getting old, so every time you release it, the lever down, it's still stuck there, so everything is stretched. But anyway, so that's what we're going to do today for tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.